Hello, and welcome back to Easy Recipes with Dee, where I am creating my favorite recipes for you and introducing new recipes. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Now, let's get into it. Today, we will be having creamy garlic shrimp on a bed of rice. This was amazing, so stick around to learn how to make yourself. The rice cooker that I am using takes about an hour to finish, so I will get this started first. First, I will start with 3/4 cup of jasmine rice, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir well and get that started. Next, I will be dicing a half small bell pepper. Finely chopping 2 large florets of broccoli. I am cooking for 2 people, so adjust accordingly. Dicing 1/4 of a yellow onion. Before we mince our garlic, wipe the knife blade with the onion so the garlic does not stick to the blade. And mincing 4 cloves of garlic. I have about 20 shrimp that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I love cooking, and I hope this is just as enjoyable and easy for you as well. If you've seen a recipe that you'd like me to cook and make easier, please let me know in the comments. I love finding new recipes and making them my own. To get the shrimp started, add a tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pan to let it thin before adding the shrimp. We will cook the shrimp for 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Melt 20 grams of butter, then add the garlic. Then add your vegetables, cook for 2 minutes, and stir occasionally. For seasoning, I will be using pepper, a pinch of salt, dried parsley, and chili powder. Stir thoroughly to ensure everything is evenly coated with seasoning and oil. Now, we will be adding 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment, and let me know how you are finding the recipe so far. Would you make any changes? Once your sauce is starting to boil, add your shrimp back into the pan. Cook for 3 minutes. This is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we show our travels worldwide here on YouTube. While we travel, kitchens and appliances will differ, so my goal is to show you easy recipes that you can do at home without several expensive kitchen gadgets. To follow along on our travels, please follow us on our other channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you over there as well. Now we are going to add a 1/4 cup of cheese to help thicken the sauce. We will cook this for 8 minutes. Once this is done cooking, let it rest for 5 minutes to help it set and thicken more. Finally, serve on a bed of rice and enjoy this delicious meal. Thanks for watching. If you have gotten any value out of today's recipe, please subscribe. It's a free way to help support the channel. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.